How to use Apple Pay without double-click 2025 method. What if you could tap your iPhone or Apple Watch to pay instantly without fumbling with side buttons, face scanning delays, or awkward double-clicks while a line forms behind you? Most people get this wrong, but in 2025 Apple has quietly expanded features that allow Apple Pay to work faster, smoother, and in some cases completely hands-free. The surprising truth is that many users already have the ability to use Apple Pay without double-clicking and simply do not know it. Today, you are going to learn exactly how to use Apple Pay without double-clicking in 2025. We will walk through the official settings, hidden options, transit features, accessibility shortcuts, and device-specific methods that allow you to pay faster than ever. And stay with me, because near the end you will learn the one setting that instantly transforms your phone into a true tap-and-go wallet. Let us start by clearing up a major misunderstanding. Apple Pay normally requires a double-click of the side button to activate. This is a security layer designed to prevent accidental payments. However, Apple has created alternative activation methods that bypass the side button entirely in specific use cases. These methods are completely official, secure, and widely used around the world. Now let us talk about the most powerful and widely used method. Express Transit Mode. Express Transit allows your iPhone or Apple Watch to work like a physical transit card. You simply tap your device on a transit reader and it pays automatically without Face ID, Touch ID, or double-clicking. This feature works on buses, trains, subways, ferries, and even toll systems in supported regions. In 2025, Express Transit has expanded to more cities than ever before. Here's how to turn it on. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap Express Transit Card. Choose the card you want to use for transit. Authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID. Once enabled, your device can pay for transit even if the battery is very low. You will not believe what happens next. You can simply tap your phone or watch on a gate and walk through instantly. No buttons, no unlocking, no delays. Now let us talk about another method that removes double-click. Accessibility shortcuts. Apple includes a feature called Assistive Touch. This allows you to create a floating on-screen button that can activate Apple Pay with one tap or even automatically when you bring your phone near a terminal. Here is how to set it up. Open Settings. Tap Accessibility. Tap Touch. Tap Assistive Touch. Turn it on. Now tap Customize Top-Level Menu. Replace one of the icons with Apple Pay. Now your floating Assistive Touch button can activate Apple Pay instantly without using the side button. This is especially helpful if your side button is damaged, hard to press, or if you simply want faster access. Now let us talk about Apple Watch. Apple Watch also supports Express Transit and can be used for tap-and-go without double-clicking in supported transit systems. Additionally, some watch models support auto-select for Apple Pay when used with certain merchant terminals. This means that when you bring your watch close to a terminal, Apple Pay appears automatically. Now let us talk about in-app and online purchases. When paying online or in apps, Apple Pay can be confirmed using Face ID alone without double-clicking if you enable certain Face ID accessibility settings. This makes checkout smoother and faster. Now let us talk about another hidden option. If you go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode, and enable attention-aware features, you can allow Face ID to automatically confirm Apple Pay without double-clicking when supported by your device and region. This allows Apple Pay to activate when your face is recognized and your device is brought near a terminal. Now let us talk about security. Even though these methods reduce button presses, your payment is still fully encrypted and protected. Your real card number is never shared, and you can suspend Apple Pay instantly using Find My. Now let us talk about the biggest mistake people make. They assume double-click is the only way to use Apple Pay. They never explore Express Transit or accessibility shortcuts. Now let us talk about real-world convenience. Imagine carrying groceries, holding a child, or carrying luggage. With Express Transit or Assistive Touch, you can pay with one simple tap of your phone or watch. No fumbling, no delays. Now let us answer the big question. Should you use Apple Pay without double-click in 2025? If you value speed, accessibility, and convenience, absolutely yes. Here is the surprising truth. Once you experience tap-and-go payments without button presses, it feels like the future. So let me ask you something. Why make paying harder than it needs to be? If this guide helped you unlock faster Apple Pay, make sure to like this video so more people can discover smoother ways to pay. Subscribe to the channel for more hidden iPhone features and tech guides. And comment below, have you tried Express Transit or Assistive Touch yet? Your phone might already be your fastest wallet ever.